Gusto niyo po bang manalo ng 1,000 pesos?
Okay.
Ayan, so bago ka manalo ng 1,000 pesos, sir, meron muna kaming ipapakilalang application sa'yo.
Ayan. So, yung name ng app, sir, is AYS Instant Services. So, yung app po namin ay lumalabas kami po para ipamigay yung generosity rin ng AYS, di ba? Ayan.
And ang kinagandahan natin, sir, pag nag-book ka sa app namin, syempre, safe and secure ka. So, instant yan, one tap away. So, ganito, sir, for you to win 1,000 pesos, meron kasi kaming official Facebook page, ayan, which is AYS. Ngayon, all you have, wait lang, wag mo muna i-search, sir. Kasi ang challenge mo ay kailangan mong mag-guess ang aming thousands of likes. We have thousands of likes, so kailangan mong mag-guess kung ilan. Specific. Choices nyo is from 90,000 to 95. You have 3 chance to guess. So, ano po yung first choice nyo, sir?
90,000.
90,000. Hindi po.